Have you ever met someone and trusted them instantly? No long conversation, no deep explanation, just a feeling. Yeah, I trust this person. Psychology says this isn't random. There are specific behaviors that trigger trust automatically in the human brain. And the interesting part, most people don't even know they're doing them. Today, you'll discover 7 psychological traits that make people trust you fast and how you can use them naturally in everyday life. Let's start. 1. Calm speaking speed. People who speak slightly slower than average are seen as more confident and trustworthy. Why? Because rushing sounds like uncertainty. Calm speech signals control. You don't need to talk slowly like a robot. Just remove the rush. Pause briefly between ideas. Let your words land. Confidence lives in the pause. 2. Predictable behavior. The brain loves predictability. When people know how you'll react, they feel safe. Trust grows when your reactions are stable. If you're kind today, be kind tomorrow. If you promise something, deliver it. Consistency beats charisma. 3. Small honest imperfections. Perfect people feel suspicious, but small, natural imperfections make you human. Admitting a minor mistake or saying, "I'm not sure," sometimes these signals increase credibility because honesty feels safer than perfection. 4. Open body signals. Your body speaks before your words do. Visible hands, relaxed shoulders, direct but soft eye contact. These signals tell the brain, no threat detected. Closed posture does the opposite even if your words are positive. Trust starts visually, before logic begins. 5. Emotional matching. People trust those who emotionally understand them. If someone shares excitement, show excitement. If someone shares concern, show concern. This is called emotional mirroring. It tells the brain, this person understands me, and feeling understood creates instant connection. 6. Low need for approval. Surprisingly, people trust those who don't try too hard to be liked. When someone constantly seeks approval, it signals insecurity. But calm self-acceptance feels stable. You don't need to impress. You don't need to prove. You just show up as you are, and that feels safe to others. 7. Clear, simple communication. Complex language doesn't create trust. Clarity does. Simple explanations signal honesty. Confusing language creates distance. If people understand you easily, they feel comfortable with you. Trust follows comfort. Final insight: trust is not magic. It's a psychological response to safety signals. Slow speech, consistency, honest imperfection, open signals, emotional matching, self-acceptance, clarity. These behaviors quietly tell the brain, you're safe here. And when people feel safe, trust happens automatically. If you found this useful, subscribe for more psychology insights explained simply, and tell me in the comments which trait surprised you the most. See you in the next video.